Problem: not making any money as an affiliate marketer. I've got 3 tips that are going to solve that problem for you. First up, no audience, no sales, not a problem. You just need a proven strategy. My proven top strategy inside of my affiliating prop online business 9-step roadmap starts with traffic. This is how you build an audience. You pick a topic, understand there's a few tools and some technology, and it takes time to create consistent content. Here is all you need to do. You're already right here on YouTube. Just pause this video and do this. How to build an app, as an example. If you wanted to create content to build an audience around understanding how to build an app without code, just simply click on it and take a look at the results of the videos, of the content. Yes, even the ads here, the #1 ranked no-code app builder, build no-code database apps. You think that might be something that you should look into and learn how to use? It might even be a product that you could promote. So we're going to take this idea or this concept, this topic, go back to what we were talking about. First, you need a topic. Now we have a topic, how to build an app without code. Then we're just going to open up Google Gemini and we're going to start a conversation. So we're going to let the AI take care of this problem for us. Give me an example, YouTube title and summary of one laser-focused topic. Remember, we need to pick a topic to cover to help a specific group of people learn how to build an app without code. So now we picked a topic and now we have everything we need to build an audience. Video title, a target audience, laser-focused topic. And then you have all the details here to include the summary, which is to create a video with a step-by-step tutorial. And again, you go back and you look here, most likely you can promote this product. So you get your affiliate link for a product like this and you start driving traffic. Again, go back to the roadmap, the simple strategy, which is step #1 to solve your problem. You pick a topic, tools, tech, and time to build consistent content. Now what you do is you build what is called a super simple lead magnet, or let's step back a second and understand tip #2 is to use a bridge page. This page is a bridge between your potential customer, the person that clicked your link in your content to get more information, the audience that you built, the audience that AI helped you narrow down to a specific topic. You want to put them in front of a bridge page, or you want to use a bridge page. And ClickBank breaks this down really well. You have a traffic source. Without a bridge page, you simply just send your traffic over to a sales page and you don't know what happens. You don't control it. With a bridge page, you have your traffic to a bridge page, which you control, and then the sales page. Or even better, and I will highlight this, or I'll put a box around it, you have your traffic source. This is your topic. This is your bridge page. Then you are going to add them to an email, and we'll talk about that a little bit later, and then they see the sales page. So what does that look like and why is it important? Because the thing is, people out there on the internet are looking for solutions to their problems. That audience that you're building around that topic that Google AI, the Gemini AI gave us, you're creating content now. You control that. You want to send them over to your page that you control, and that page is where you want to actually start interfacing with them, or you want to take the time to let them know that you have more detailed information with them, and you're going to do this. You're going to put them on your email list because that is what you control. So your page is a bridge page, but ultimately it goes back to the strategy. And what it looks like is you are generating traffic from that topic that Gemini, Google AI helps you narrow down. And now you understand the time that it takes to create that consistent content. And you're going to add them to your bridge page, which is actually a super simple lead magnet that adds people to an email list, which is tip #3. Traffic to an offer, add people to an email list using a super simple lead magnet or a super simple squeeze page, which is essentially a bridge page. So let's take a look at some examples. So this is a squeeze page right here. This is from Forbes, exclusive Forbes report, the little black book of billionaire secrets. Have you ever wondered how the billionaires invest their money, how they continue to get richer while the rest of the world is struggling? Enter your email address below and find out. This is copywriting. This is marketing. As an affiliate marketer, your focus is on letting people know that you have a solution that's going to solve their problem. The audience that you built, now you want to let them know that you have an ultimate solution, and all they need to do is sign up for this free report. You can also just capture this, just take a screenshot and feed this into the AI and let the AI do what the AI does. Here I've just taken a screenshot and I'm going to save that image. Then I've saved it right there. I'm going to go back to our conversation, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add files and I'm going to upload that image. That image is going to upload right there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say, or I'm going to ask the AI to help me create a squeeze page to add people that are interested in my topic of the video. Copy that and just put the video title in there. You can clean this up a little bit. It just bugs me, but the AI can figure out the misspellings, the mistakes that you make. That's why we use the AI. And use the attached image as a starting point for creating a bridge or squeeze page to add people to my email list. All right. And again, I'll just fix this because it bugs me. But look how simple this is. This is so simple. It does it all for you. Like the AI is doing all the work for you. And at this point, it's going to crunch that just a second. And all you're doing is having a conversation to solve this problem, the problem that we started with, right? Now, okay, let's create a squeeze page inspired by the Forbes image, right? So, the restaurant owner's secret weapon. Build your online ordering app in 30 minutes. Remember, what we're talking about here is a no-code app dev for restaurant owners. Build your online ordering app in 30 minutes. Your target audience is your restaurant owner. The AI has done all the work for you to build an audience around the laser-focused topic of building a baseline ordering app using a specific no-code platform. And remember, this is just an example. You may not want to use this, but it shows you the power of how AI is going to solve these problems with these 3 simple tips. And you can see here that it's created the headline, it's created a subheadline, it's gave you some ideas for the visuals, some bullet points here addressing benefits and intrigue, a call to action, a CTA. That is get instant access, download your free blueprint, start building your app today, right? It's showing people how you're going to help them solve their problem using this concept of a bridge page or a squeeze page. And there's other examples. You could take a look at this over at swipe.co. Read this for your report, how to sell 100 books a day on Amazon, enter your email. Here's another one. This one's a little busy, but you get the idea. Or there's actually a few different ones here. Sweet, isn't it? All there is to aspartame and other artificial sweeteners. Get your free report. Exposing the danger of mercury. Get your free report. You see the point, right? 5 critical questions that will change your financial future. Enter your email address. Here's another one. Avoid running out of money when you need it most. Learn how this 15-minute retirement plan will solve your problems. Get your free guide. So we go back to our plan. The first thing that we need to understand, we need traffic. Traffic based around a topic, a few tools, some tech, and time to start building consistent content here on YouTube. Google Gemini took care of all that for us and showed us exactly what to do. We saw a super simple squeeze page that functions as a bridge page between us or between our content and between the link that we're going to give people. Instead of sending them directly to a sales page, we're going to give them some additional information. We're going to add them to our email list and then follow up with them. We could even automate this process because the whole point of this is to get to a point where we are in profit and we can scale our business just by generating traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list with these 3 simple tips. Now, clear this off and understand we need some tools and some technology and some time to build everything that you see here. And we'll start here with understanding the super simple squeeze page and the bridge page, the tool to do that and build an email list and to automate it. To capitalize on these 3 simple tips that I've just given you to start making money as an affiliate marketer. Because at this point, it's just as simple as getting started today. There's a link in the description. I call it my $10 lead machine. It does require a minimum investment of about $10 to get started. Check it out. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.